When people imagine human evolution, they imagine intelligence. Big brains, language, ideas, but the truth is far less glamorous. The human story did not begin with thinking. It began with walking. Long before the first tools, long before fire, long before speech, there was a fragile creature living in Africa. Not human, not ape, but something new. This creature was called Australopithecus. And without it, nothing that followed would have ever existed. Australopithecus lived between 4 and 2 million years ago, at a time when Africa was transforming. Dense forests were disappearing. Open savannas were spreading. Food became harder to find. Predators became more visible. Survival demanded change. Australopithecus did not choose evolution. It responded to pressure. Small groups lived across eastern and southern Africa, moving constantly, searching for food, avoiding death. This was not progress. This was adaptation. Australopithecus looked closer to an ape than a human. Their brain size was small, about 400 to 500 cubic centimeters, no larger than a modern chimpanzee's. They had long arms, short legs, and curved fingers for climbing. Their bodies were covered in hair. Their faces projected forward. Their jaws were powerful. But their skeleton tells a different story. The pelvis had already changed. The spine had developed a curve. Australopithecus walked on 2 legs. Not gracefully, not perfectly, but permanently. Bipedalism was a risky choice. Walking upright made Australopithecus slower, more visible, more exposed. So why did it survive? Because walking freed the hands. Hands that could carry food over long distances, hold infants while traveling, and transport stones and objects. Standing upright also reduced heat exposure under the African sun. Less surface area faced direct sunlight, allowing for more efficient cooling. This was not intelligence. This was biology solving a problem, and it worked. Life for Australopithecus was harsh and short. There were no shelters, no clothing, no weapons. Their diet was mostly fruits, roots, tubers, and seeds. Meat was rare and dangerous to obtain. Hunting did not exist. Predators ruled the land: lions, leopards, hyenas. Many Australopithecus individuals likely died young. Survival depended on awareness, not planning. Each day stood alone. In 1974, scientists discovered something extraordinary, a nearly complete skeleton. She was named Lucy, just over 1 meter tall, weighing less than 30 kilograms. But her bones revealed a truth humanity could no longer ignore. Lucy walked upright. Not occasionally. Not experimentally, but naturally. She proved that walking came first, thinking came later. Australopithecus could not shape stone tools. They could not control fire. They could not communicate with language. Their brains were not capable of abstract thought. There was no culture, no art, no tradition. They did not imagine the future. But evolution does not reward intelligence first. It rewards survival. And Australopithecus survived long enough to change the path of life on Earth. Australopithecus was not human, but it opened the door. By standing upright, it freed the hands. By freeing the hands, it allowed tools to emerge. And once tools appeared, there was no turning back. Next comes Homo habilis, the first human who shaped stone, and began shaping destiny.